Hey Bantasi, I hope you guys are still good. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a new vlog, guys. And today it's a Thursday and ndivula vlog enja. So I am preparing to go to the coffin. We are shopping. We are looking for a TV stand, ne standing light. So sizothenga zona, and then after ndigqibile kwa coffin ndizohamba ndiyokwenza ndiye kwa-Pick n Pay Clothing ndiyojonga iziliphasi kamama, into ezishushu ze-winter, because isister yam iyeza. So umama uthe heyi undiqokelele kwanto ezishushu, so ndizawuzama uqokelela zona ke. Bantasi, I think ndizohamba nani if andisokoliswa ngasispace kule fowuni yam igezayo. And I thought, let me introduce this vlog. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to become part of the family. Please join the family, guys. Kumnandi apha kweli khaya. My name is Sake. To my returning service, welcome back my dolls, welcome back my day ones. So yeah, guys, ndivula le channel, guys. I hope you stay. I hope unizoyithanda le channel. Masambeni.
So we were stupid, never seen us that free, didn't think it could be so healing. Don't get in our lane, we don't entertain people scheming. But don't mistake this dream for being real, 'cause these are dream friends, dream spaces, we're not ourselves, no. Dream last night, did everything we never do in real life, walked in.
Hey guys, we are back from the mall. So now uta uza unboxa TV stand, and then I think sizwe
The work where you going, nowhere special, just walking with you. Feels like the old days came through, feels like the real us came to. Sharing our food, dancing off tune, we were stupid. Never seen us that free, didn't think it could be so healing. Take me to
City, bye bye, City. Hello,
river runs wild, to the place, a place with fruit or life. This place in my dreams, this place is in my head all day. River runs wild. Take me to the place where the grass is green, oh yeah. To the place where the bees never sting. This place in my dreams, this place is in my head all day, where the grass is green, oh yeah. place where music is played all day, to the place where we sit next to God.
Can you hear me? Even if I whisper it through the silence. Can you hear me? Honey, can you hear me? Even from a distance. After all this time. This time. Can you feel it? Honey, can you feel it? Something never really left my chest. Even when I try to lock it out, didn't think I'd still be here with it. Thought it would break down, disappear, but it stayed in the echoes. Every place still knows your name. Every quiet still feels the same, even though you walked away. And I feel it. I still feel it, still feel it.
I had a dream last night. Did everything we never do in real life. Walked into the room, told everyone to sit tight, cause I had something to say, things I should've said your way. We laughed till it hurt, talking about the hurt, but turning it into work. Where you going, nowhere special, just walking with you. Feels like the old days came through, feels like the real us came to. Sharing our food, dancing off tune, we were stupid. Never seen us that free, didn't think it could be so heat. Don't get in our lane, we don't entertain people scheming. But don't mistake this dream for being real. Cause these are dreaming friends, dream spaces, we're not ourselves. Secret disappear. We could tell the truths we hate to hear. We could read each other's mind like we had all the time. Nothing left to fear. Everything feels clear. Never got it wrong. We had that vibe, yeah. Sharing our food, dancing off tune. We were stupid. Never seen us that free. Didn't think it could be so healing. Don't get in our lane, we don't entertain people scheming. But don't mistake this dream for being real. Cause these are dream friends, dream spaces, we're not ourselves, no. Yeah, these are dream friends, dream moments, wish they were real though.
Hey guys, niyakhumbula mos on the previous vlog bendifonela usister wami nimchecka uba usahamba right now. Ufikile ke, so ndiyothatha yena ke ndiyapick up yena nizambona. Bye guys, sambini. Thanks hlobo sami. Because thengele uhead Why not? No, it's okay. Ujongile indlela eyakwam.
Sayilapho ngokazafuna.
Hayi bo sukazelo.
Take me to the place where the grass is green, oh yeah. To the place where the bees never sting. This place in my dreams. To the place where there's no conformity. To the place, a place of liberty. This place in my dreams, this place is in my head all day, where there's no conformity. Take me to the place where we talk with our eyes, to the place where even winter is warm, to the place where music is played all day, to the place where